Hey guys, what's happening? Even though iOS 26 doesn't officially exist yet, Apple has had a hidden album feature for years, since iOS 14, and they've kept it improving. They've kept improving privacy features like Face ID, Touch ID, Lock for hidden content in later versions. So that step-by-step guide on how to add photos and videos to the hidden album in iOS 26. What the hidden album is a special folder inside the Photos app. Anything you move there won't show up in your main photo library or memories, can be locked behind Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode depending on settings, can still be accessed if someone knows where to look. So it's out of sight, not military grade invisible, right? Invisible. So how to add photos and videos to hidden album. So open Photos app, browse your library or albums to find the photo or video you want to hide. So for example, I want to hide this video and this photo. Okay, select the content, right? On the right corner if you want to choose multiple photos and videos, and tap on each item you want to add to the hidden album. And you can use the share as sheet. Once selected, you can tap the share button with the square or like the square with an arrow pointing up, right? This brings up options like airdrop, messages, mail, etc. Scroll until you see hide, right? If you didn't find it here, maybe a different version, you can hit the three dots at the bottom right, and then just hit hide. A confirmation will pop up. This photo will be hidden for moments, years, and collections, but will still be visible in albums. And confirm by tapping hide photo and video. Done. The item is instantly moved into the hidden album. You won't see it in your main library anymore. And if you want now to access the hidden album, what you're gonna do, open Photos and then go to Albums, scroll a bit down to find Untitles section, and you're gonna find Hidden right here. And depending on your iOS version, you will need Face ID or Touch ID or your passcode to unlock, right? So you need Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to unlock this feature, to unlock the hidden photos or videos. I'm gonna unlock it. Inside, you will see all the content you've hidden, okay? Locking or hiding the hidden album itself, Apple lets you make the hidden album invisible in the Photos tab. Go to the settings, and you're gonna try to pin down photos, right? And toggle off show hidden album. Okay, right, somewhere here. And now the hidden album won't appear in Photos at all. To access later, you will need to re-enable this toggle. Okay, so for videos, same steps. The process for hiding video is identical. Once hidden, it won't autoplay in your video memories or show up in your recent feeds. So if Apple keeps the same logic but polishes it, expect smaller separations, maybe tags like hide from recents but not from shared album, deeper encryption tied to your Apple ID, search invincibility, right? Hidden items may not even appearing in Spotlight search. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.